Understanding the phrase, pork ribs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, pork ribs. We're going to delve into what this phrase means, its components, and how you can use it in a sentence. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Pork ribs is a compound noun, made up of two words, pork and ribs. Pork. This is a type of meat that comes from a pig. It is one of the most commonly consumed meats worldwide. Ribs. This refers to the bones that run along the chest of an animal. When we talk about ribs in the context of food, we are referring to the meat that surrounds these bones. So, when we put these two words together, pork ribs refers to the meat from a pig that is located around the ribcage area. There are several different types of pork ribs, and each type has its own unique characteristics. 1. Baby back ribs. These ribs come from the upper part of the ribcage, closest to the spine. They are shorter and more tender than other types of ribs. 2. Spare ribs. These are larger and flatter than baby back ribs, and they come from the lower part of the ribcage. 3. St. Louis-style ribs. This is a specific cut of spare ribs, where the sternum bone, cartilage, and rib tips are removed to create a rectangular-shaped rack. Knowing the different types of pork ribs can help you make more informed choices when you're at the grocery store or ordering food at a restaurant. Pork ribs are a popular dish in many cuisines around the world, and they can be prepared in a variety of ways. 1. Barbecuing. This is perhaps the most popular method of preparing pork ribs. The ribs are cooked on a grill, and they are often marinated or coated in a barbecue sauce. 2. Baking. You can also bake pork ribs in the oven. This method usually involves slow cooking the ribs at a low temperature to make them tender. 3. Boiling. Some people choose to boil their ribs before grilling or baking them. This helps to tenderize the meat. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the phrase, pork ribs. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what pork ribs are, the different types available, and how they are commonly prepared. Don't forget to practice using this new phrase in your conversations, especially if you're a food lover. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.